What's up, Cancer? Welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love guidance. And this is from April 16th through the 30th. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate you for doing this. And if you are new here, welcome. This is just a listening video. It's not really for watching, but I do have photos up here for inspiration. So if you want to watch, feel free to do that. But, pop in those earphones and just listen to your messages. I hope that you like it. My work is guided by the Holy Spirit. I do just work with spiritual energy, okay? I am a master teacher. I am also a spiritual healer and a spirit guide and an intuitive, okay? So thank you guys so much for being here. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to look at two things. We're going to look at how you feel and how this person feels about you, your love interest, and also how you guys see each other. I do have extended that I offer. So if you guys are interested in the extended version of this, go ahead and check out the description box down below. There will be a link to get access to watch the extended video. We're going to go deeper and look at other things. We're going to look at what you both really want. What are you trying to get at in this connection? And also what angel messages for guidance is here for you. Okay. All right. So Cancer, April 16th through the 30th, how you're feeling about this person. Okay. So it looks like you guys feel like, well, I would say how it is that you do love someone, but this person could be at a distance. Some of you love someone that's either emotionally distant right now or they're physically distant from you, or both. This person's distant, but you still have love for them here. This person could be keeping at a distance, because it's a difference between being at a distance and keeping a distance. So this is someone who may be keeping a distance for others of you, but you still love them. It's genuine. You're keeping things at bay with this person. You're not revealing anything to them. You're not even telling them that this is how you feel or that this is what you see in them. You see love with them, but you're not telling them. Or you feel deep feelings and emotions, but you're not saying it, okay? So you're keeping quiet about things. You're keeping your thoughts to yourself. You're pretty silent about how you're moving here. You do have feelings. You do have emotions about this person. Some of you are even falling in love with a person that's at a distance from you, okay? Your feelings are really, really starting to grow with this person. And I don't know what it is about this person, but your feelings are getting tied up here into this situation, and they're kind of getting stuck here with this person, okay, for some of you. Now, this can be for, mainly I pick up Cancer, males or females. It really could be either one, but my guidance is for you if you resonate with it. If you don't resonate with this, then immediately just turn it off, because it's not about trying to find out if, someone's cheating on you, that kind of thing. No, don't watch my videos for that, because I'm not gonna give you that unless it shows up, okay? But this is not that. I feel like this is you guys this is for specific Cancers who have an interest that's at a distance, okay? Now, how does this person feel toward you, this person you're interested in? So this is someone who could be quite the overachiever at this time. They could be, maybe they feel like you're a little out of their league, Cancer, or this is a person who is just really trying to achieve something, or someone, could be you, that they're trying to achieve or gain a connection with you, but it seems like you're unattainable. Like this person for some reason feels like they can't get to you. Like they can't get to you, they can't be with you. It could be because you're keeping things at a distance. It could be because you're not really opening up and expressing yourself, or it could be because there's so much distance, whether you inflicted this upon yourself or not. Maybe this person caused this distance. But whatever this distance is and whoever started it or whatever, this person feels like they are going after something that they're probably never going to get because of the distance. That's just what they feel. Doesn't mean that feelings are justified. It's just how people feel. And this person could feel like it's because you've limited your access to them, or they can't access you because you kind of cut something off. It could be because they don't really see you enough. Maybe you're not on social media. What I'm getting is that you're like laying low off of social media. You're not really involved in social media. They can't see you. They can't easily access you. It could be because they're limited publicly. Like, sorry, you're limited publicly, or you have a limited publicity. What I mean is, like, to the public, you people don't know what you're doing. People don't know what you're doing. People don't know where you are. People can't see you. People don't know what you're thinking. People don't understand what's going on. Like, you're just very out of the way. Out of the way. And that's how this person feels. Okay, like, they feel like there's maybe something blocking the connection, okay? Because they feel like they can't get to you easily. So they're like, something is blocking this connection because I can't get to the Cancer, okay? I can't, like, I don't know what's going on, that kind of thing. This person could be feeling confused because of what's going on, but they could also have temptations, okay? There could be a temptation here involved where this person feels like you're their temptation. Like, they're tempted to talk to you, but they don't know how to reach you, or they're tempted to be with you, but they feel like you're a little too good to be true, or you're too good for them, or maybe they feel like they sometimes have thoughts about you, but they don't want to like reveal these thoughts that they have about you because you seem to be like not available, if that makes sense. Okay. Now, how do you guys see each other? How do you see this person, Cancer? Okay, it looks like a lot of you are positive minded. You're keeping your distance just because, like, you're in love with this person, but you're just, whatever this distance is, whatever this distance is in the way for both of you. I don't see that it's like you guys pointing the finger like, I'm like this because you're distant. No, I'm like this because you're distant. No, it's not like that. It's more like we're at a distance. Boom. That's what it is. But you're positive about it. You're a positive minded person when it comes to this individual. You're like wanting, the way you see this person is someone who's following their destiny at this time, following their destiny and proceeding on their life's quest, their journey. You just see this person following their heart, following the path that they're on, okay? You also see this person now starting to develop more confidence on their journey, and they're gaining spiritual strength now. Like, spiritually, this person's becoming stronger to you. Like, you could have been watching this person for some time now, or you've been, paying attention to them for some time, and you're noticing a big, big, beautiful change that's happening in this person's life, and you genuinely care. Like, you genuinely notice it. Even if you don't care, you just notice it. And you're seeing that, wow, this person's really coming into their own. They're really building more confidence now. They're really following their dreams. Like, this person actually has big dreams and they're really following them. They're doing it with like a fierce determination to win, a determination to be successful. This person is taking action to make their dreams come true. They're actually moving things forward. They're following their destiny. They're following their heart. That's how you see them. You see this person as someone who is now starting to eliminate the fear, or needing to eliminate the fear of getting lost or making mistakes within the connection, okay, or in their life. Like, this is someone who you're rooting for them. You're actually genuinely rooting for them. You actually genuinely understand this person in ways that other people may not understand this person. You see this person as a good person, and you know what they're trying to do. You know that they don't mean harm. You know that they are a warm-hearted person, that they have a good heart. You know that this person is really trying to do the best that they can with what they've got. I'm hearing, did you guys ever see that? Comment down below if you guys have ever seen that meme from Mariah Carey. And I don't know if she was drunk or what, but she was on stage and somebody gave her a mic and she said, I'm going to do the best I can with what I got. And so that's how you guys are seeing someone as doing the best they can with what they've got. Even if this is a person who doesn't have much or doesn't ask for much, you know that this person is trying their best right now. And you actually see them really like just coming into this beautiful like person. Okay, like that's how you see them. Now, how do they view you? Ooh, this is different. Okay, the number 3 is relevant here. You could be dealing with someone who is a life path 3. They could be a third child, a middle child or something, or their life path is number 3. They're born on the 3rd. They're born in March, possibly. Number 3 could be significant or relevant to them. Or you could be a life path 3, or March could be significant for you. Or maybe there's something about a third party here coming up. If some of you, this person sees you dealing with someone else, or this is a person who you see dealing with someone else. It could be, not for everyone, but it could be. But there's something about 3 or more people involved in something here. And it seems like some type of game. So what this person sees is that Cancer, they feel like you're playing games. Like you're involved in some type of game where there's 3 or more people involved in a game. And this person is aware of it. This person is aware of a game. Okay. This person sees you as someone who's passive. Like you don't look like you care about them, or whatever it is that you really feel, you have not shown that to this person at all. So to them, you just are a person who are collaborating with other people to play some type of game, and they feel like that's all you're doing. And so they see you as being passive about this, where you're just you're either allowing things to happen, or you're allowing this game, this mind game, to go on, and you're not even responding to this. You're not even talking to this person or letting them know that this is what you're doing. Or maybe they feel like you're being passive, as in you have a third party or they have a third party, but you're just allowing things to happen. Or like, say for instance, if you have a third party, then they see you as just letting the third party do whatever, and which could be interfering with your connection. Or they could be looking at it like, if they have a third party, then they're like, you're not doing it, you're not even saying anything, so they don't think you even like them. They're just living their life with a third party. It's that kind of thing. It could be that, or like I said, it could be a group of people playing a game, mind games with them. That's what they feel. Okay, like, I don't know if you guys have your friends involved or family involved or people competing. It could be some type of competitive game amongst men. Okay, it could be that going on, but there's something going on. I just know that all the participants in this game that's being played here are needing to move on. Because it's like, move something forward. Well, no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. I take that back. All participants in this game is helping this person move forward on their dreams. That's what I mean. So even if like you are collaborating with other people to try to you could be competing with other people, either other women or other men. It's like, whatever this competition is, or this game is, or whatever is going on, this person feels like all of this has helped this person so much. Like, this is helping them live out their dreams that they're manifesting. Okay, so this person really sees it in a positive way, even if you're not serious about them, even if you take them for a joke, but according to your feelings, you don't take them as a joke, but it's like a secret that you're keeping away from them. All right. There is something here about this person seeing you communicating with a group of people about them. You could be speaking to people on social media about them or something like that. This person feels like there's a lot of joy. Okay, this person feels like there's a lot of joy that you bring to them. Okay, or maybe they see you being happy at this time. um this person also, there's something about family and children here, so you guys could have children with this person, or maybe this person just sees you as being a little childish about things. Okay, or maybe there is, like I said, children involved in some kind of way. Maybe this person is more older than you, and maybe they feel like, maybe there's a little bit of play, like too much playing games here with you, Cancer, and that they're not the one that's trying to play games. Okay, that they're serious about you, or they're serious about their life, that whatever games is happening shouldn't be happening, that kind of thing. Or maybe they see you as a child. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here, and that's pretty harsh, but honestly, I'm just giving different types of ways that this can be seen. But children can come into play in a different way, or in any kind of way that it applies to your life, to be honest with you. Okay, all right, so that's all I have for now. If you guys want to keep going, I have more information on this, so that these things can be cleared up, and so that you'll understand what's going on. All right, so yeah, definitely get the extended version. Thank you so much. God bless.